Remember.
Hmm? I'm sitting there feeding him, and he decides that he wants to feed himself. So watch this. Oh wait, you gotta go. Okay, maybe on the next one. He's getting it all over his face because he don't want me to wipe it off. Hey, can I get this spoon back, please? He doesn't know what he wants. He don't know if he wants his fingers on the food. Okay.